guys, welcome to Jay's Kitchen. Hope you had a wonderful week. Today's at Jay's Kitchen, I'm making an omelette. When you say omelette, it seems like a very simple dish to make. But according to one of my best friends, Samir, it's not that simple. There are several variations of omelettes depending on which part of the world that you live. Spanish omelette, Greek omelette, the Indian masala omelette. There are certain variations of omelette, but I'm trying to keep it very simple. I'm just going to add some ham, some spinach, and some cheese. Make it really simple, but I'll show you how to make a perfect omelette without sticking to the pan. For my omelette, I have some ham, some Comté cheese, which is Cabernet favorite kind of cheese, baby spinach, 3 eggs, some half and half cream, little bit of butter, and some extra virgin olive oil. Grate your cheese and chop your ham. Add some olive oil and a chunk of butter. And here we're gonna saute our baby spinach. 3 eggs in. And season. Little bit of cream and a little bit of chili flakes, which is optional. And remember to keep the heat to medium. Oil and butter in, and make sure the pan is warm, and then we're going to add our mixture of eggs. Let it cook in the middle for about 3 to 4 minutes, and just use a spatula to make sure the edges are clean. Flip the omelette to the other side. You can always use a spatula, and then we're going to start adding our ham, our spinach, and cheese. Start folding your omelette from both sides and make sure our cheese, ham, and spinach is well covered. And here I'm going to accompany my omelette with some fruits, but feel free to use anything you can find at the household on any given day. Some toast or some avocados will definitely complement your omelette. Jay's Kitchen perfect omelette done. A cup of freshly brewed coffee and Jay's perfect omelette. It's a great way to start your day. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed today's Jay's Kitchen perfect omelette. Make it at home and let me know how you make out. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, and turn on your notification button. Enjoy the sun, enjoy the outdoors. I'll see you next week.